All right, pilots, arm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. Still 40 seconds on the master race clock. Run lap number 3 for RaceBot FPV. He's out in the spiral section. Danny FPV and Surgical onto lap number 3.
All right, guys, it was over. Danny, FPV, you're done. Surgical, you're done. Good job, guys. We still have RaceBot FPV up, coming through the tunnel. Fixing to come to the start-finish line. RaceBot, you're done. RaceBot's going to move up into our number 9 position. Go, man, go.
So we're gonna award another pack to Cha, Bond, and Rock. They